If your Godaddy SSL is not working, showing an error, or your site is still not loading securely, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix the Godaddy SSL problem step by step, so your website can get back to showing that secure padlock as quickly as possible. This is a really common issue, especially if you've just set up a new site, changed hosting settings, or your DNS is still pointing somewhere it shouldn't. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy website and hosting tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, sign into your Godaddy account. Once you're logged in, go to My Products. This is where all of your domains, hosting plans, and website services are listed in one place. From there, look for your web hosting plan and click Manage. This will take you into the hosting dashboard where you can access the tools needed to repair the SSL issue. Next, open cPanel. If you're using Godaddy hosting, cPanel is usually where the SSL management tools are located. Once cPanel opens, go to the Security section and click on SSL/TLS Status. This page lets you check the SSL status for each domain attached to your hosting account. Now select your domain from the list. Make sure you choose the exact domain that is showing the SSL problem, because if you have multiple domains or subdomains, you want to work on the correct one. After selecting the domain, click Run AutoSSL. This tells Godaddy's system to automatically try to issue or renew the SSL certificate for that domain. In many cases, this is the fastest fix, and it can solve the issue without any manual certificate setup. Now, wait for the SSL installation process to complete. Depending on your hosting setup, this may take a few minutes, so give it time to finish before checking the site again. If the SSL is installed successfully, the secure connection should begin working normally. But if you still see an SSL error after running AutoSSL, then the problem is usually related to DNS. So the next thing to check is your domain settings. Go to Domains, then open DNS. Here, you want to make sure your A record is pointing to the correct hosting IP address. If the A record is wrong, your domain may be sending traffic to the wrong server, which can prevent SSL from working properly. Also, make sure your domain is not pointing to an old server or an incorrect destination. Even if the SSL certificate is installed correctly, it still won't work the way it should if the domain is not connected to the right hosting location. After making those checks, give DNS some time to fully update if you made any changes. DNS changes can take a little while to propagate, so don't be surprised if the fix is not instant. Once everything is connected properly, refresh your website and test it again. In most cases, that should clear up the Godaddy SSL problem and get your site loading securely again. If this video helped you fix the issue, please hit like and subscribe, because it really helps the channel, and make sure you don't miss the next troubleshooting guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.